Hello, do you know your 3 times table? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So the 3 times table would look like this. You start off with the number 3, and all we're doing is counting up in 3s. So it goes 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, then it goes 18, keep going, then it goes 21, and then 24, very good, and then 27, and the final one is 30, okay? So let's say this together. It's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now, the best way to memorize this is to cross off one of the numbers at a time and keep going over it. So I could rub off the number 18 and then it will go, so I could go like this. I could go rub off the number 18, okay? And I could go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, then you would remember that 18 is there and keep going on. And then once you've done that, do another number and so on and so forth. And keep doing this until all the numbers are gone. It's the best way to do it. So remember that way, practice at home, okay? So use the information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!